Hello guys, hope everyone is doing good. So today I'm going to show you how to add different emails in one email application on the Macs. So from the first step, you have to go on this icon on the right hand top corner, which is Apple. You click on that and then you go to the system preferences. Here, when you see the internet accounts, you click on that. And here you see the different options and different email service providers like iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, and Gmail, which is your Google, Yahoo, and other email accounts. So to add any email account, you click on that. For example, if you're going to add any iCloud email, you click on that and you put your email here. If you want to add any Gmail account, you just click on Google and it's gonna take you to the Google website, and then you put your email and your password to set up your account. So here you can see I have added already different types of accounts, like two iCloud accounts, and two of them are Gmail. Sorry, three of them are Gmail. So this is how you can add different email accounts in one section. Okay, so the next thing is once the emails are added, so how you can see different emails on the left hand side, you see they're like different emails. They have the different folders like important, inbox, draft, sent, junk, bin. So from here you can categorize your different email accounts like different folders. You can see what you have sent from the different accounts to different people. For example, if you want to see all the inbox, all the emails in one box, you just click on the top all inbox option, and there you can find all your emails in the one section. So this is all for today. So hope I explained well about the adding the emails in your Macs. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe this channel. Peace.